Capoeira flow.
Hello everyone, hope you're well. As promised, I was trying to think on a different drill for the macaco because I know everyone is different, everyone on different levels, so I'm going to show a few variations of these drills. It could look a bit scary, so that's why I'm going to develop few levels. Yeah, don't try to go straight to the last level before you even try once the level before. Yeah, and make sure you're super warm on the arms, legs, back, warm up, do your own warm up before you try this, and make sure you're not so tired. So I don't suggest you do this after a workout because this is a workout by itself. Okay, let's look into that. Okay, this is the first part of the drill. Okay, I don't know, I have those mats here, but it can be anything, and I strongly suggest make sure it's against the wall, against something that doesn't move. Yeah, you don't have a gap, and then when you push off, it moves, and then you're gonna feel unstable, you can pull something, so make sure here is against the mat, and something I did if you can raise it up, so you can get different things. I'm gonna use my sofa as well, but my sofa is not good because I have wheels on it. But because I already can do it, I have tested quickly, it didn't move on the first time, so let's see if it doesn't move now, but be careful, yeah? The first part of the drill, we already know this drill here. Look at the hand, remember not to do this, looking up, so I'm straight away looking over my shoulder. My hand is flat, I want my fingers pointing that way, so you don't need to spin when you go up. So don't place the hand like this, because I'm going that way, so I already placed my hand like that. It feels a bit awkward, but because I have both feet on the floor, as soon as I lift this leg or I jump, it's gonna feel natural. So this saves me to do one more thing while I jump up, okay? Opposite leg to opposite arm. So in this case, I'm going to demonstrate on my right, yeah, especially for the angle of the camera. So here, I'm going to lift. Yeah, that's the idea. I want you to try now on something that's raised. So I'm going to just try here, so I can even get closer. I'm putting on the edge. Why? If I put it here, it feels a bit uncomfortable. Can you do it? Yes. Just be careful your foot don't do that. Yeah, so that's why I'm putting on the edge here. My heel's almost on the floor, so feel more safe. Yeah. So I'm going to do exactly the same drill. So first to warm up, I suggest you already warm. You're going to just lift the heel up, the hip as high as you can. Leave the foot there. So that's your first drill. So here, hand, boom. I'm looking at the hand. Remember, I don't want you to look at the camera, especially when you're recording. It's very natural to do this. But remember, forget the camera. Yeah, put it the camera, of course, so I can see, I can give feedback. But look at the hand. So again, here I can rest. Boom. There. That's the first part of my drill. You can do on the other side. Remember where my fingers are pointing. Here, hips off the ground. Boom. So I know the order. Yeah? And even use that for warm-up. Second part, I'm going to do that and lift the opposite leg to the arm. I'm going to use my right hand, so it's the left leg. So here, on the toes, my pressure is putting the mats that way. So there. Boom. It's a bit unstable now, of course. I only have this and this on the floor. Boom, so try. Yeah, same thing on the other side. So there, boom. Be careful not to get lazy with the hip and just do this. Yeah, I want to see the hip all the way up. Yeah, so you can feel the stretch on the shoulder. And note, I'm not turning my hip. Yeah, note I'm not doing this. My knees are going that direction and up. So there, push. Yeah, see the problem with the mat? It moves. Fix it every time you can reset, check everything is in place. So here, hands there, I'm going to turn a little bit more, hips there, so I'm going to push and then go. Don't worry, we'll be unstable here. You might not be able to hold. I can't hold for long. Just you get a movement, okay? Now, we're going to do the drill where we jump over, but from the side now. Still from the side, don't go all the way up. Still will be scary. So to start with, you see, I'm literally a palm off the floor. So not too high yet. So I'm going to do the drill. Now, here, I know what I'm doing. I already tried the other two drills. I'm going to throw this hand here, but this leg is going over to the side more. Here. Yeah. It's easier now to go on top of the hip. Yeah, I don't pose. I don't go here pose and jump. I try to combine the push with the leg. And I want you to raise your foot, your hip as high as you can. See here, I'm almost going over. I'm not touching the second hand. The hand goes here, but I'm not touching. Yeah? I don't want you to throw this hand here anymore. The hand goes there. Yeah, this leg, I don't even need to hold the hand. So there, push, I'm almost over. From here, to get the hand over there, it's not far off. I demonstrate one, but don't push it straight away. Do this couple of times, couple of days, get comfortable with it. It's quite along the shoulder, holding there. So build up that strength, that confidence. So there. Now I'm gonna go even further that way. Looking at the hand, everything, and pushing the hand. That's our goal, yeah? What you can do, you can raise even more. I'm gonna try. I'm gonna try my sofa, or part of the sofa, but it's not ideal because it has wheels on it. But just so you can see, you can raise something. So as you can see, I've got wheels on it. Make sure I'm putting the pressure that way, yeah? At the beginning, always test it. So there, I'm pushing against the wall, so it's not moving. I'm gonna go up. Can I go up? Yes, I can. So here, practice the first drill. Now I'm gonna push. Here is against the wall. I'm gonna push it there. Yeah? Eventually, you can even drill the first part here. Okay? See, my hip is already raised. So from here, I'm pretty much almost halfway through. So just lifting the leg, I'm halfway through. So I gotta do raise and push the leg. Try that. Don't go from there to this too quick. Build it up, feel the confidence. Either way, you're building up the strength. But this will give another sensation to go up. Yeah? I have got one more drill, but this is very challenging. You need to be able to do the bridge already. Okay? If not, work on your bridge slowly, and then you try this drill. You might not even need the level 3 to be able to do the macaco. Okay? Again, record, let me know how you're getting on. Let's look into the level 3. Okay, level 3 again. Ideally, well, you have to be able to lift the bridge. If not, this is a good exercise to get the bridge as well. It feels a bit scary at the beginning, so I suggest you go by stage, don't rush. Yeah, remember you're working out, you're building up your strength, you build up confidence throughout those drills. Okay, let's look into that. So I'm gonna do the bridge against the wall. Yeah, not too close so I can get up. Again, I'm not the most flexible person in the world on my back, but I can already do the bridge. So I'm gonna go down here, normal bridge. Yeah, lift your hip first, make sure you're warm. Boom. I'm gonna walk around there. I wanna lift opposite leg first because this is the leg of the macaco if I'm going that way. I'm gonna try to push here. Yeah, and then come back. Come back. Be careful not to lift the leg too high, so on the way back it's hard for you to come back. Yeah, maybe stay closer to the wall first. So for me it was a little bit too fast, so I'm gonna get a bit closer to the wall. The idea is to walk with the leg, but at the same time I'm walking with the leg, I want to get my hand closer to the wall. I show you what I mean. So here, I'm a bit closer now, maybe a bit too close. Here, up, leg, there. I'm gonna walk towards my leg, or towards the wall. So from here, it's easy for me to stand up. Yeah, so you're building up the strength and you get this sensation to go up. Keep doing those drills. Eventually, I might not even need to get closer to the wall, but I need to make sure my weight is on top of my shoulder. So now, moving on level 3, getting a little bit more advanced. I'm gonna pretend I'm doing the macaco with the right hand. Of course, I have 2 hands on the floor now, but I want to keep the left leg first. So I'm gonna pull my trousers so you know the drill. Alternate, of course. Do the left to the right. So here, up. So 1. Eventually, I get just that. Yeah, but make sure you don't have to go straight away. The problem with this, on one push, if you're quite far away, you might feel unstable on your arm. So do not try this too soon. Get your hands close, get the feeling of doing the handstand. Just that's gonna build up your confidence on the handstand as well. So here, up, push, here. One, I can even get close a little bit here. I feel I could, but feels a little bit too far. So I'm gonna try to walk first. Now, feels fine. Even if I drop the leg here, I push, I would go. Okay? Do all the other drills first, before this. Or don't even go over. Just walk and walk back to the floor to start with. It's level 1. Level 2, get closer to the hand. Sometimes you might feel too heavy to walk on the hand. It's not as easy as it looks. I don't know if it looks easy or not, but it's heavy. But by now, we already know how to shift away from one side to the other. If not, you can just shift and come back down. Don't worry about walking to the wall. So just to clarify, level 1 of the level 3, up and down. You're not going over at 2. Level 2 is still not going over. You're gonna try to get legs up, hands towards the wall. Level 3 of the level 3, is that even right? But you know what I mean. I get my legs up, my hands closed, and then go over. And then you can call it level 4 when you push from one leg. Just lift a leg and then push. Yeah, but again, make sure you're already comfortable with that, because the worst comes to worst, you go and don't completely, you come back to the wall. Don't panic, the wall is still there. Yeah, just make sure you don't miss the wall. Just extend the leg, you're gonna hit the wall no matter what. Yeah, and even if you miss the wall and hit your shin on your knee, it shouldn't be a big impact because you're very close to the wall. Okay, hope that never happens, but please let me know. If you're scared, contact me before you even push on to the next level. You can always do one level, show me. I'll make sure it's okay, and then I'll say go and progress to the next level. Okay, I hope that helped. Again, this is a new drill. Even, I don't know if it exists there or not. I'm sure other people have thought of this before. But because I know you guys are very keen to get this macaco over, that might help. If not, we come up with something else, but I'm sure you're gonna build you up your strength anyway. Let me know how you're getting on, and I